Parang nahilo ako. Parang may ikot ako. Ito okay lang eh. Ayoko na. Isang ganun lang ako.
Alright, once again, my name is John King. Let's give it up for our next host for tonight. Para naman for Gianni!
Ano yung ano pa? Ang mo, baka yung stage. Hi, hello! Hi! Here's a kid over here. I'm your real dad.
Mother mo
Ano
daw.
kasi mo?
Mother.
Hindi yung ano mo. Palagay na lang muna ng ano. I want to sing something from the movie Shea Rather. Yan na lang. Pagbawal kasing golden eh. I'm sorry, baby. We cannot sing golden for you because we are the Saja boys.
We're
So,
going up.
palagay nung from this moment. Sayang, babato ko sana yung golden. This is for everyone. And of course, I would like to acknowledge the presence of the lookalike of Jella Alonte. Miss Jean. Opo yung
You are